everyone. Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Today I'm super excited because I'm with my big auntie, my beautiful auntie. In fact, today she sacrificed and said, yes, use me as your model to tie as small as you can. I'm going to tie like 20 styles. I will start with the Ankara material. I have 4 Ankara leftover material to 2 yards. I will use it to create simple style. After that, then I will start with this small scarf. Yeah, these are the next scarf. After the next scarf, then I still have ashoke, like 5 ashoke. I'm going to use that to do like 20 styles. She said today, not today. She said, Deg, today, not today. Use me. Just, I'm here. Use me to, I'm here to do model for you. Yes, guys, don't mix out any of this video. I will drop them one after the other. So we are going to start now with this simple V cross at the front rows. So all this material, they are just 2 yards left over. I'm going to use them to create rows, but different type of style of rows. So I'll be using Ankara material to do round. Guys, sorry for the distraction. I have many different styles of Ankara styles on my YouTube channel. Check them out. I have the 6-yard styles. I have the, in fact, we have different styles. But today, because this material I have today with me, they are just 2 yards. So I will use them to create different style of rows and fast one, simple one. Stay tuned. After I finish with the Ankara material, I will start with the scarf, the small scarf material to create simple style as well. If I finish with the scarf material, I will start with the ashoke. Yes, next day is her birthday. She's going to do photo shoot today. After we finish with the tie, then I'm going to do a makeup. Then I will tie her nice hairstyle 3 outfits. Stay tuned, please. In case you have not yet subscribe on your bell so that all these styles, when I drop them, you will be notified. Thank you. Follow me on my Facebook, the same name, Deg Beauty, Instagram, Deg Beauty. Thank you. See you on my next video. Concentrate your eye on my hand. You will learn 1 or 2 things. Yes, thank you. Help me to thank her for her time. Okay, bye. Enjoy.